Understanding ceiling pattern in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, ceiling pattern. This term might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Ceiling pattern refers to a situation where progress or growth in learning or development reaches a point beyond which no further improvement or advancement is observed. It's like hitting an invisible ceiling. This term is often used in educational contexts, especially in language learning, to describe a learner's plateau in progress after a period of rapid improvement. To understand this concept better, let's look at some examples. A language learner might find that after quickly mastering basic grammar and vocabulary, they struggle to improve their fluency or understand complex texts. This plateau is their ceiling pattern. In mathematics, a student might easily grasp basic arithmetic but hit a ceiling pattern when advancing to more complex algebra. Breaking through a ceiling pattern can be challenging but not impossible. Here are some strategies. 1. Change your learning methods. Sometimes, trying a new approach to learning can help break the plateau. 2. Seek feedback. Regular feedback from teachers or peers can provide new insights into areas of improvement. 3. Set new goals. Setting higher, yet achievable, goals can motivate you to push beyond your current ceiling. The concept of a ceiling pattern is common in learning, but it's important to remember that it's just a phase. With the right strategies and perseverance, you can break through your ceiling and continue your learning journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you understand and overcome your own ceiling patterns in learning.